Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw USDC from Bitmart to Exmo in 2025. With crypto evolving so fast, this process has gotten even more streamlined, but it's still crucial to get it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring your funds smoothly and securely. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Exmo. Start by logging into your Bitmart account using your email, phone, or whatever method you registered with. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Funds section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Here, you'll see all your assets, including USDC. Next, locate the withdrawal option. Click on USDC, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. This is where accuracy is key. Input your Exmo wallet address. Double check it because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. In 2025, Bitmart might have enhanced features like auto network detection, so select the appropriate blockchain network, like Ethereum or whatever USDC is bridged on. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on any fees. Network fees can vary, so aim to withdraw enough to cover them without eating into your profits. Before you hit confirm, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security. Once everything looks good, review the details and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it hits your Exmo wallet, you're all set. Pro tip: always monitor your transactions using blockchain explorers to ensure everything's on track. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDC from Bitmart to Exmo in 2025. It's quicker and safer than ever, but always stay vigilant in the crypto space. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.